The Barreto Manufacturing 13SG stump grinder is an incredibly affordable and reliable piece of equipment that is designed for minimal maintenance expense and maximum return on investment. Fitted with 8 carbide green teeth and driven by a powerful Honda GX390 engine, this stump grinder features an innovative pivot over center swivel head that sweeps easily over the stump. The simple-to-use controls are located on the adjustable height handlebar, and the freewheeling hubs make moving the 13SG to the job site easy, while the independent wheel locks allow for quick locking while grinding. The innovative design and compact stature of the 13SG stump grinder makes it ideal for tight access areas, and the swivel head has a swing arc of 35 degrees, sweeping the 8 carbide green teeth across the stump, back and forth, quickly grinding away the desired tree stump. And like all Barreto manufacturing equipment, the 13SG is safe and easy to use, with the height of the control handlebar easily adjusted to suit both the operator and the grinding situation. The operator engages the cutter wheel using the handlebar-mounted safety bale, and that safety bale also acts as a secondary safety switch to prevent accidents. The 13SG is also available in the 16SGB model, featuring the 16 horsepower Briggs Stratton Vanguard V-Twin engine. The compact size makes this stump grinder easy to maneuver and operate, and at only 406 pounds, it can be safely hauled on most small trailers. Manufactured in the remote mountain community of La Grande, Oregon, the Barreto Manufacturing 13SG stump grinder is proudly made in America by professionals that take pride in making the highest quality equipment. From the laser cutting of the parts out of American steel to the welding, powder coating, and the final assembly, Barreto's professional staff makes every piece of equipment and tests it before loading it on a truck for delivery. Barreto Manufacturing is a company that stands behind its brand as one of the innovators in landscaping and tree service equipment.